Today I am making extreme, tender, juicy, falling off the bone baby back ribs. Alrighty, I have my onion in here with some water. Hey, hello beautiful ones, thank you for stopping by Flavor Town. Today I am making baby back ribs, yum. I'm going to cook them in my pressure cooker. I already have it heating up. I put the water and the onion already inside, getting warmed up for these ribs. Next, what you see here is my seasonings. I have a mixture. These are my special seasonings just for ribs. Oh my gosh, it is the best. You can use whatever seasoning you like best. So I'm gonna season these up really well. Just rub it in. I'm gonna do like a dry rub on them, but you'll see later how they turn out. I started putting on the seasoning and then I thought, well, you know what? Let me share this video with everybody and let you guys see how I make my ribs. So I hope everybody's having an awesome day today, and I hope that this recipe, honey, reaches your home so you can have these yummy tastes to feed your family or just for yourself, whatever the case is. You don't have to go out and buy expensive foods to eat good. You don't always have to go to the restaurants. You can stop by my channel, honey, and I will show you what to do. As you can see, this water and onion are happy, honey. I'm going to stick this rib right on in. Make sure your rack is in there and you just stick it in there like so. I'm going to put the lid on and let them cook, and soon as it's finishing, I'll be back. So, by the way, your pressure cooker is going to have settings on it and it will tell you which to select. Mine, I just hit meat. That's it. If your pressure cooker says meat, honey, push the button and get ready for some scrumptious, falling off the bone baby back ribs. In case you were wondering what was in that bowl, Tanya, what did you season your ribs with? Well, I put a little bit of brown sugar. I put Himalayan salt, herbs, wait for it, garlic powder, wait for it, onion powder, and some of my herbs and other little things. And honey, they are going to be so good. When I tell you, I can smell these things in this pressure cooker. Oh my goodness, they are going to be so delicious. Guys, hang out to see that finished result. What are ribs without sauce? Now I'm getting ready to make my secret sauce. Now I'm gonna put in my secret sauce. Yeah, this is my special sauce I put over it. Now I will tell you, beware. I know I had spoke about the pressure cooker and selecting the meat option. It is very imperative that you do not let your ribs cook for too long a period of time. As soon as I grab my ribs, they just fell completely apart, which is going to be a good tender eat. So it's pretty much up to you. I know I'm going to enjoy it. I like my ribs super tender. I'm going to stick these in the oven. The oven is already preset for 400. I'm going to put it in there for a little while and brown them, and I'll be back with that result. Okay, guys, I am so ready for these ribs. As soon as I tried to touch them, they just fell completely apart. I tried to put them back together the best way that I can, so I know they are super tender. And with my all-time flavorful Flavor Town sauce on them, I know they're gonna be super good. So I have to do this taste test for you guys, just so you can see the expression on my face and know just how good they are. Look at that, look at that. Look at how it just comes completely apart. Like, I can't make this. Look at this. Man, when I tell you these ribs are so good, you can't even, I don't even think you can try to pick it up without it sliding on the off the bone. I'm gonna eat these ribs with my fork. Cheers to good food. Bye.